Why is there a division between God and us? What is the purpose of the system of creation in which we have to work to evolve to achieve union with God? If our higher self is indivisible with absolute reality, then why is that not completely evident to us? There is no division in between God and you. And this is the only thing which is supposedly to be understood. You are still in a deep, dark sleep of ignorance. You have to wake up from there. And that is all what is to be done. Child is in mother's lap, child goes to sleep and dreams that I am separated from mother and cries. What should this child do to get his mother back? Wake up. That's what you need to do. And that waking up is called evolvement or enlightenment, whatever word you can. See, when I say you are not different from God, that's my experience, but for you it is still just a statement. And you have to work hard to make it your experience. And you can do that. You say, why? Why do we have to work? Well, this is all what I can say. It is a divine leela happening, a divine game is happening where you think you are lost, but you are not lost. And you think you have found, but actually you have not found anything. When you say, I want to look for God, my question is, where did you lose Him? If He is a Him, if God is a Him, where did you lose? Huh? You can say, I lost my purse. You know what purse is? You lost it, you can find it. When you say, I'm looking for God, did you had it? And where did you lose it? God. It's a strange statement, isn't it? God is not lost, you are lost. God is not lost, you are lost. So you need to wake up to your own reality. You say, why? Well, it is a game, we can say this much. You are not separate from God. God is not distant from you. God is not away from you. God is not somewhere up in the sky. But if you say, I don't know, I can't see it, that's because you are blind in your mind. Lost. People lose things, you have lost yourself. Baba Bulle Shah says, Ki jana main kaun? Who the hell would I know who I am? Ki jana main kaun? Bullea, ki jana main. Bulle Shah's short name, Bulla. Bullea, what should I know about who I am? I can say this much. Bulle Shah says, Name Moman vich masita. I am not a Muslim. You will not find me in mosque. Na main vich kufar diyan rita. I am neither a Hindu who is stuck in his rituals. Na main pakan vich palita. Neither I am one of the pure, nor I am one of the sinners. Ki jana main kaun? How would I know who I am? ना मैं अंदर वेद किताबां, ना विच पंगा ना शराबां. Now when Bulle Shah is saying I, this I can be I of God. So you can say God is neither in Veda nor in any other divine scripture. Na which panga na sharaba. Neither I am found in opium nor in liquor. As I said, some people, sadhus, they drink intoxicant and they think they'll find samadhi. Na which rinda mast sharaba, na which jagan, na which son. Neither I am found in a bar or in a liquor, nor in a bar attender, neither in waking nor in sleeping. की जाना मैं कौन? अव्वल आखिर आपनु जानिया. Ultimately, I came to know who I am, and there is neither my beginning nor any end. Na koi duja hor pachana, and there is nobody else to be called as an else. Nobody is different to me. Maitho na koi hor siana. Nobody is as intelligent as I am. It is not an egotistical statement. It is a very humble, loveful statement. With the grace of my master, I have known myself, so I am intelligent. I could have remained a fool, but I am intelligent. I found the truth. Na main Arbi na Lahori, na main Hindi Shair Nagori. I am neither an Arab, nor I am from the Lahore city, neither I am from a Hindustan, neither I am citizen of the city called Nagaur in Afghanistan. Na main Hindu, Turk Pashori, neither I am a Hindu, nor a Turkistani from Turkey, neither I am from Peshawar. की जाना मैं कौन? की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन। की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना कौन, की जाना, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, 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 की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन भूलिया, की जाना मैं कौन। It is a dream when you think you are separate from God. God is not a separate entity from you, dear Sudha. God is not ever can be separated from you, neither you nor me nor anybody. The only thing is this whole veil of ignorance has to be lifted. That's it. You say, why? Well, there are no answers for why. In a smallest seed, which is of oat sized seed, there is a tree which can grow up to 30 meters tall. Seed. But can become a tree. So every human mind has this seed. If this seed sprouts and grows, then you are God.